Welcome to 100 Days of Learning Legal and Compliance for Founders. This is day 16. Dear founders, your pitch deck is not a company brochure, it is your fundraising story. The job of your deck is simple: make the investor understand your startup, your market, your traction, and your funding ask in less than 3 minutes. So don't make 30 slides. Start with these 10. Slide 1: Company and one line pitch. Add what you do, for whom, and what outcome you create in one simple sentence. Slide 2: Add the exact pain point, who faces it, how often it happens, and why it is serious enough to solve. Slide 3: Add how your product or service solves the problem better, faster, cheaper, or more conveniently than existing options. Slide 4: Market size. Add your target market, customer segment, growth opportunity, and why this market is worth building for. Slide 5: Product demo. Add screenshots, workflow, prototype, app link, website, or a simple visual showing how the product actually works. Slide 6: Traction. Add revenue, users, waitlist, pilots, partnerships, retention, testimonials, or any proof that customers want this. Slide 7: Business model. Add how you make money, pricing, margins, customer acquisition cost, sales cycle, and repeat revenue potential. Slide 8: Competition. Add who else is solving this problem and why your startup has a clear advantage. Slide 9: Team. Add why your team is the right team to build this, including experience, domain knowledge, execution ability, and founder market fit. Slide 10: Funding ask and use of funds. Add how much money you are raising, what valuation or structure you are considering, and exactly where the money will be used. Remember, investors don't want decoration, they want clarity. If your deck cannot explain the business clearly, your meeting becomes difficult before it even starts. Keep it simple, visual, and numbers backed. To learn more about the pitch deck do's and don'ts, visit our blog section. Link is in the description.